Right, here we go. So let's have a quick look at what's going on with the Matic chart. So Bitcoin's doing very well for itself, and a lot of money's getting poured back into it. The alt season's not yet begun. You could say that the range of Bitcoin has moved to the up. The consolidation area has definitely broken to the up. Probably going to find a test around 12,000. But what does this mean for? 12,500. But what that means for Matic is that we're probably going to be seeing a bit more of a downward, sideways action again until this alt season begins. And the reason for that, obviously, the faster Bitcoin moves, the more money goes into Bitcoin, the lower the Satoshi value for Matic, and the knock-on effect is as a downside for the tether pairing. The good thing, however, is that we're still above this previous trend, so we are creating a new trend, but the trend currently is not looking very good. We're beneath all major moving averages on the 4-hourly, and on the daily, it's not going to look great either. Yeah, I mean these big moves that we had when we bounced from the 120 Satoshi level. We're still up there. We've not come back down to test these levels. We may come back down to test these levels if Bitcoin carries on with this rally. I expect that with Bitcoin we'll probably find a rejection at 12,500 and perhaps maybe come back down to test around 2,500, 10,500. Sorry, I'm rushing because I've got to get to work. You see, So what does this mean now then? So let's have a look at the tether pairing. So the tether pairing, we're finding a bounce now. We're just above the 2 cent mark. Our 2 cent mark resistance support over here. We're just poking our head above it. It's not looking too strong. There is a bounce there. There'll always be a bounce around this area. If we can get above 2 cent again, then we may remain above there for a little while longer. But on my video yesterday, it did appear it appeared to be very clear that we're going to come back down and break that 2 cent mark again, which we did do. And now it's a matter of trying to find some kind of recovery. We're bouncing on these moving averages here on the hourly. Let's have a look at the higher time frames. Have a look at the 4-hourly. So yeah, the 4-hourly's looking a lot sorrier for itself. The reason for that being is that we're underneath all the moving averages, and actually we're finding rejection on the 200 EMA. If we can bounce above that, that would be great. But it's not looking very steep, to be honest with you. These moving averages are bending down. Let's have a look at some of these indicators. The volume is very low. The MACD is going to be coming up soon for some kind of buying opportunity. The RSI is kind of bottom to middle range and pointing up, so it would suggest to me that in the short term we're going to see a bit of a price move up, but because of the low volume, it's not likely to move up very far. Probably, it's difficult to say, but I would imagine that if we did move up, we'd find a rejection around 2.2 cent where these moving averages are coming, and then they're obviously coming down, and they're going to prove some kind of resistance for us as well. So yeah, all our eyes are on Bitcoin. There's not a great deal going on for Matic right now, so it's just a matter of waiting it out again and seeing how low this next Bitcoin rally can push it, and see what happens in the next alt season. If Bitcoin continues to move sideways, and when I say sideways, within a $1,500 range, anywhere between 10,500 and 12,000, that would be considered relatively sideways accumulation in a way. If we could do that, then that would spark some form of alt season. Whether or not Matic will benefit from that is a difficult one to say. Matic had a big pump and dump here as a result of their news coming out, so it's unfortunate it didn't hold its value. We really need something like staking rewards to be implemented for us to start holding the value, so people can then essentially be incentivized to hold their coins rather than trade them. And there's probably not a great deal of interest in the coin at the moment because Binance is not going to be available for customers in the US. So as a result of that, people are probably not looking to hold coins like this that aren't available on as many other trading platforms or exchanges. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there, and when I get back this evening, I'll see where we go and perhaps make a little update. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and have a nice day.